sneezed and now you can't breathe?
I sneezed and coughed at the same time. I started choking. I'm like, oh, my eyes were watering. I couldn't see where I was going. No, that sucked. I'm like, I'm like, ah!
All you gotta do is hold your breath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry, bud. Whoa! They're shooting! They're shooting! I heard a pop, I'm like, oh, horn! Alright. That boy claps. Come on, Uncle Stevers. Ah! 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 Taking me to hell, I'm going with it. You might want to move. Might want to move. Woo! Right side, right side. Atta boy. Hey, I got a video. That wasn't that bad. It's fucking rocky shit.
I laughed. I wish I had my GoPro on. You were wheeling up over the top. Like
Well, I got one there and there, so hopefully it'll be able to see something.
The way the sun was setting, the way you were wheeling, it looked like on any Sunday, dude. It was so badass. I'm like, oh man.
That's cool.
I love the original on any Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah. No shit?
It sounded like you were revving the shit out.
It feels like I'm in second.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was going up in first gear from the beginning, didn't even shift, I don't. It's too fucking high, and I can't get the low end carburation right. Like, I'm just barely fucking making it. Fucking hold on, we're going to the rocks.
Trevor's off. Who goes that way or that way? I go, let's give him one more.
I was telling him about fucking help and fucking tell me. I can get one, like normal first gear would be fine if you could keep it if it didn't run right.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, I want to go down one more, there is no more down.
You're like clicking, hoping that, you know, there is one.
I like when people say there's no hills in Cal City. I'm going, man.
Well, I know with the XR and the KTM, I fucking just chug up shit.
Yeah, you can lug it and just friggin' tractor up the thing. Yeah.
Fucking thing is like a two-stroke that's not running right.
Yeah.
I see a full hill, but
Yeah, it's not anything like I like to buy. It's everything against me. I like to find 25.
Yeah. Steve's like, shut up,
I'm
fucker.
a very happy man. Well, I'm on my way up here.
Alright.
Coleman.
Fogging up. Oh, dude. got maced. Going silent.